Hello everyone. In this video, we will see autocorrect feature of MS Word. Sometime we write some wrong words and Microsoft Word environment will autocorrect them. For example, I'm going to write THE. Purposely, I have written this wrong word. I want to write the THE, but I have written TEH and just press enter. Now you can see it automatically correct the word, and second thing is that caps lock, that is the first alphabet T of the word is capital. Now it, suppose I'll write some other word, that is, suppose I just start my bracket and write E, alphabet E, and close the bracket. Now you can see it will replace that word with symbol. If you observe, there are some words which are already set at back end and those words can correct automatically. But if some words are not set on back end side of Microsoft Word, they will not change. Let's see. Suppose I want to write college word and by mistake I write this word instead of college and just press enter. You can see it capitalize the first word C but not replace the wrong word with correct word. So I just want to set this word in my dictionary, or you can say in the collection of autocorrect feature. I have to just add this word. Then click on this file option. Click on options. Now from the dialog box you have to select this proofing option. In this proofing option you can see there are many buttons and command, but I have to select this feature, that is autocorrect options, and the autocorrect dialog box will appear. It is showing me many settings, that is if you want to capitalize the first letter of the sentence, or you can capitalize the name of the day and so on. And if you observe, there is the option replace text as you type. So it will replace the correct word as you type the wrong word. Now suppose I want to check whether THE word is in my dictionary or not. You can see this THE word can be replaced by this word THE, the, and I just want to type that word COLLAGA. It is not showing me the suggestions. So I want to add this word and to my list, and I want it will replace with college keyword, and I have to just click OK. Now click OK. Click OK. Now suppose again I have to write this keyword, or I just keep my cursor on that word and it automatically change. Suppose again I'm going to write that word and click enter. Now you can see auto correction feature. It changed that wrong word with correct word. So in this way we can use autocorrect feature and add some words to the dictionary of autocorrection. That's it for this video.